Picking the right gaming mouse can be tricky. With so many factors like sensitivity, ergonomics, and extra buttons, it's easy to get lost. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 gaming mice of 2025 and help you find the one that fits your playstyle best. Stay tuned to see which one offers the best performance, comfort, and value. Number 5. SteelSeries Rival 600. When it comes to dominating FPS games, having the right gear is a game changer. And that's exactly where this awesome gaming mouse steps in. With lightning-fast response time, top-notch ergonomics, and fully customizable buttons, it's an absolute beast. The design fits perfectly in your hand, giving you maximum comfort even during long gaming sessions. You can feel the solid build quality, and the customizable buttons let you tweak it to match your playstyle. The only small downside, it's a bit on the heavier side, but when you've got speed, precision, and ultra-low latency on your side, that hardly matters. If you're looking for a serious edge in FPS games, this mouse is a perfect choice. Just keep in mind, if you have smaller hands, you might want to go for a more compact option. Bottom line, power, precision, and comfort, all in one. Number 4. Razer DeathAdder V2. Razer is a big name in the gaming world, and with the DeathAdder V2, it's making waves in the office world too. The ergonomic design ensures comfort even during long hours of use, and it fits your hand perfectly. This is a game changer for anyone who spends a lot of time at the computer. The programmable buttons are a great feature, allowing you to switch between apps quickly and assign custom functions. But there is one downside. The scroll wheel doesn't support horizontal scrolling or accelerated scrolling, which can be a bit frustrating when you're working with long documents. Another thing to keep in mind is that this mouse is best for medium to large hands. If you have smaller hands, it might be a bit tricky to reach all the buttons, especially if you're not using a claw or fingertip grip. Still, the Razer DeathAdder V2 is a solid choice for office use, offering a great balance of comfort, speed, and practicality. If you're looking for something that's both comfortable and efficient, this mouse is definitely worth checking out. Number 3. ASUS ROG Spatha X. If you're into MMO games, the ASUS ROG Spatha X is definitely the mouse for you. With its customizable side buttons and fully programmable design, you can personalize your gaming experience. It has a super low click delay, so every command is responded to instantly, while the ergonomic design fits all grip styles and even works well for smaller hands. It keeps comfort at the forefront, even during long gaming sessions. You can easily adjust the sensitivity for every move, giving you the edge to target your opponents quickly and stay in control of the game. The ASUS ROG Spatha X is a must-have for MMO players, offering amazing functionality, solid build, and ultimate comfort. Number 2. Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro. Meet the Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro, the mouse that's going to leave your competition in the dust and take your gaming performance to the next level. With an impressive 18,000 CPI sensitivity, it tracks every movement perfectly, and the click latency is almost non-existent. The 1000 Hz polling rate makes every action quicker and more precise. You'll always be a step ahead of your opponents. It's a bit on the heavier side, but with its comfortable grip, you'll be good for those long gaming sessions. It's designed for palm grip users, but even if you have bigger hands, you can easily switch to fingertip or claw grip. This mouse is built to give you an edge in any gaming scenario. In short, the Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro will keep you ahead of the game with every move you make. Number 1. Logitech G502 Hero. If you're serious about FPS games, you can't just settle for any random mouse. Meet the Logitech G502 Hero, a true gaming beast with precision, comfort, and top-tier features. The moment you grab this mouse, you'll feel the ergonomic right-hand design and textured grip that make it super comfortable to use. Plus, the sniper button, a favorite among FPS players, gives you that extra precision right when you need it, helping you stay one step ahead of the competition. Ultra-low click latency ensures that your lightning-fast reflexes translate perfectly in-game. A wide CPI range lets you fully customize your movements. Whether you need speed or precision, it's all in your hands. That said, if you have smaller hands, this mouse might feel a bit bulky, so keep that in mind before making your choice. All in all, the Logitech G502 Hero is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to dominate in FPS games. Once you try it, you won't want to use anything else.